Hi guys, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with an NBeads project share and quick make with me. So if you have not seen my last video, I showed the beautiful patches and we created one together, and this I did with some Dollar Tree pouches, and I'm loving these patches. They are so fun, so easy to put together, and they really just upgraded all of these plain tote bags. Look, this one I added bling all around. So it's a perfect little easy project. I am trying to do more easy. So I'm just going to show you some of the products quickly. These are that beach iron-ons. Here are some floral ones. So beautiful. Here's another floral one. It's a yellow number. I love this little bicycle one, perfect for Maggie projects. And this is the sequins bow. So the second project that I have in mind, and I was really inspired by the Maggie Holmes. She had a collection with a clip. What do you call these? Bobby pin clip kind of embellishments. So I picked up several different kinds. Now I'm going to show you the products that I'm using today. These are the silver 18mm ones, and you get a bunch, and just like this. So it does have a little bezel backing, which makes it a lot easier to put whatever you want in these, and they're so fun. Now this one is a smaller one. I did get them in two colors. These are more of the bronzy antique finish, and these come with the little bubbles in it if you wanted to use it with that. I did not, and I have a lot of flat bags that I just have not used in my stash. So I wanted to come up with a different way to use them. Here are the gold versions. Again, they come with the little bubbles as well. And these, the sizing on these, I believe they are 12mm if I had to guess. I will leave links to all of these products information down below with my discount code. And the last one that I have is the scallop one, and this one has to be my favorite. So again, they are a bezel holder with the little bobby pins. Yeah. And they're so fun. So I want to show you what I created with them. So I took, let's start off with the little ones. I'm just going to take all of them out, and they are so fun, so easy to make, and we are going to create one together. So I took some of the flat backs that I have in my stash that I never got to use or haven't used in a while, and I thought this would be a fun way to add to a project. So like if you took an envelope and you had this little clip, or if you wanted to clip on some fun, you know, die cuts together, this makes it so cute and so glamorous. I have this one using those Michael blings, and I should have another one. Yeah, here is the pink ones that I made. I love these. So these are some really pretty flat backs that I had. Again, like I just wanted to stop hoarding, and I think this way I will use them up. And I love the finish on these. These are like just fun little paperclip-ish embellishments with these silver ones, and I believe these are the 18mm. Look how cute these are. I made little pom-pom ones. So these were so easy to adhere, and I love how these came out. I again was looking for a way to use these pom-poms, so these really just made it super easy. Just slip that on. Look how cute that would be on a project, and they are nice and sturdy, so love that. And then last but not least, I took these little scallop ones, and we'll put one together, and I made the most beautiful shabby numbers ever, and I love the scallop on the back. Again, so pretty. And if you've been following me, you know that I've been kind of loving these shabby little pieces, and this piece here is from Ali. If you haven't seen my prettiest haul to date, I haul these, And look at the shine on these. They're just so beautiful. This one is probably something I bought on Amazon. Again, so pretty. So I thought we can create one together just to show you how simple it is. And you know what? I'm a sucker for easy crafts. So like this summer, I'm taking it a little bit slower. So I wanted to do a whole bunch of easy crafts that I can just mindlessly put together. So I'm just gonna pull one from these are my pretty box. Like, oh, so pretty. So I'm gonna take my little scalloped number, and I believe this is about 20 millimeters. And again, I'll leave links to all of these down below. But I'm just gonna try to see a piece that I can kind of make fit in here. That's cute too, but too small. I think I'm just gonna go with one of these pearl numbers. And I know that this box can be a little bit distracting, but it makes me so happy to look at. Okay, this one's a little bit different from the one that I used before. So I want to have them pre-made, so when I'm ready to make a project, I can just stick this on. I hope this fits. There is a tight bit of a gap, but I will make this work. So this will sit on top of here, and now this one is not completely flush against this, so I'm just gonna have to add a lot of glue just to make sure it's secure. I could add a little foam in between just to make it a little more secure. I'm just gonna grab my little foam here, and sorry about that. I'll just make this work. Hopefully this will give it a little elevation, just so that it doesn't pop off. Just gonna add a little bit of foam right in the middle, and I doubt it'll show. Okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna add E6000. I do love these little tubes. I think they are so easy to use, especially when it comes to like jewelry stuff and you're not stuck with a huge bottle of E6000 that's probably dried up or used up. So what I do is just add a glob right dab in the middle. Okay, smear that on. And this dries really fast, which makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to stick this on. I like it to be somewhat centered. So yeah, just like that. I'm just going to press that down and let it dry. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit more glue just to make sure that does not want to come out right on the back, just like that. And we're just gonna add this right on top, and I just wanted, it's kind of like a star, just to be centered. And then just press this down and then let this dry. I usually leave these overnight before I start picking it up, or leave it for a little bit. It does dry very fast. So I'm just pressing this down so it stays down, just like so. But you guys, if you are looking for an easy craft, a fun way to use some of your pretties that you weren't sure how to use, this little bezel backed clips are the way to go. And honestly, you guys, can you really say when you get a card or an envelope with this kind of gorgeousness, would you not be just mesmerized? Oh, I'm in love. And see, it's already sticking. So easy, you guys. This is what I like to call a 1, 2, 3 craft, and All of this was possible with these products from NBeads. If you wanted to do the iron-on patch, you can see that video and I'll link that down below. And again, I'll leave all of the product information down below, as well as my discount code if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.